How to use a self-test. Hi, my name is Keisha, and I'm going to explain when and how to use a COVID-19 self-test. If you have COVID-19 symptoms or think you've been exposed to someone with COVID-19, you should take a COVID-19 test to determine if you have been infected. Your family, friends, and community depend on you to take steps to determine if you are infected with SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Using a self-test or home or at-home test can be a quick way to get results. You can use a self-test almost anywhere as long as you follow the instructions provided with the test. Some self-tests are available without a prescription and can be purchased at a pharmacy or other retail store. Be sure to check the expiration date before you purchase the kit. If you have questions about testing, there are lots of people who can help you, including doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and health departments. Here are some tips for using COVID-19 self-tests. Follow instructions for storing the test until you are ready to use it. Some tests require a flat surface and shouldn't be used in direct sunlight. When you are ready to use the test, check the package contents and expiration date again to ensure the test has not expired. Do not open test contents until you are ready to start the testing process, and don't use expired or damaged tests. Disinfect or clean the surface where you will complete the test and wash your hands. Follow the instructions to collect your sample, perform the test, and wait for the result. Remember to keep the nose swab in the nose for the appropriate time needed to collect a sample. Carefully following the test instructions when collecting a sample, performing the test, and timing the results are critical for accurate test results. Once finished, throw away the test contents as described in the testing instructions. Don't reuse test kit contents. Disinfect or clean the surfaces where you've completed the test and wash your hands. Refer to the How to Interpret a Self-Test video for what to do once you have the test result. Remember, even if you are fully vaccinated, CDC recommends that you get a COVID-19 test if you have COVID-19 symptoms or think you've been exposed to someone with COVID-19. Thanks for doing your part to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 in your community. Keep in mind, testing is one part of preventing the spread of COVID-19, and getting vaccinated is another important step to protect yourself and your community. For more information, visit cdc.gov/coronavirus.